Hey guys, it's Saturday, October 26th, and as promised, we're doing a giveaway today for the Corona FlexDial Pruners. First off, I want to thank Corona Tools for sponsoring this video. Without them, this video wouldn't be possible. And I also want to thank all you viewers and followers and subscribers over on Facebook for leaving your comments and entering this giveaway. Without you guys, we definitely wouldn't be a channel at all, and we appreciate doing this for everyone. So let's get on to the giveaway real quick. Again, this is for the Corona FlexDial Pruners. As I mentioned before, these pruners are pretty awesome. They have a flex dial that changes the tension in which you use these pruners. So again, you set it at 8, that's how wide it's going to be. It's going to have more tension in it for your bigger hands to go ahead and cut through that stem, wood, or whatever the case is. And then if you bring it all the way down to 1, it's a lot smaller for those smaller hands and less tension and more repetitive cuts without tiring you out. Alright guys, so before I announce your winners, I'm going to tell you exactly how we chose these winners. We basically use a random comment selector for YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. First one we're going to do is the YouTube one. And the first one that won on YouTube is going to be Vicky I Love Boxers. So congratulations to Vicky I Love Boxers. Definitely have seen you around before, have seen some comments before, long-time subscriber. Next one I'm going to announce is the Instagram. On Instagram, we had a lot of activity on there. A lot of you guys went and gave it a like as well. And the winner for Instagram is going to be Jenny Burgess. So congratulations to Jenny Burgess as well. And then the last one that we had was off of Facebook. And the winner for the Facebook one is going to be Katie Sauls. So again, congratulations to all three of them. For you guys, please leave us a message down in the comments below or send us an email at GardenObsessions@gmail.com. Give us your information and we'll go ahead and have Corona send that stuff out to you guys. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. It was real short just to announce the giveaway winners, but before we go, I do want to talk about the Corona pruners. These pruners are absolutely amazing. I've been using them for everything. Angie's been using them for everything. The comfort gel grips are absolutely awesome. It's less stressful on your hands and it's a lot more comfortable to deal with on a repetitive basis and pruning around the garden. I even took them out to the woods the other day, used them out there. They're just some absolute awesome pruners. The FlexDial, again, I can't stress enough the FlexDial, especially me and Angie using these guys. You can make it less tension in them, more tension in them, bigger hands, smaller hands, but they're absolutely amazing. Again, I do want to thank Corona for sponsoring this video. Definitely stick around. We got a lot more content coming up, a lot more stuff we're doing with these tools that we're going to show in the future in the next gardening season. So we appreciate everything, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one.